So the hens impressed me yesterday. It's a beautiful day. We've got to let them out a bit, except for that small one. I shouldn't fly that silver one yet. That one's doing great, but we'll fly more, except that little one. Yeah, a bit of exercise, beautiful weather for winter anyway. I've got that one in hand, and these ones. Closing the door. So there's 6. I've zoomed it. They're up like little specks, little dots. Hopefully the camera gets it because I can't see it. 6 hens, 2 tipplers, 4 high flyers, Serbians. Go for gold. So I come back from work. It is about 5:30, getting dark, very dark. I released these birds around 12 o'clock. Had to go work at 2. And the missus said as she took the clothes out of the line in the backyard, birds were coming down at 4 o'clock. So that's about 4 hours of flying. And it was this silver, that beautiful tippler, and this crazy black one down there. Nice little saddle, growing its tail. It's It's got tenacity, that one. Can't believe it. So that is great. 4 hours. I'm happy with that. It was that one. That one there. And it was that one, that tippler, and that white beard down there, that white beard. Great job. That one came down earlier before I left, but those 5 killed it. They killed it. And then I let all the birds out. Now I've got to put all the hens back. Put all the hens back, and that's about it. Good job.